Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, premium wheels, traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.